Soul-warming seafood chowder recipe. This classic comfort food is a symphony of flavors and textures, featuring a rich, creamy base that cradles tender seafood morsels. So get ready to embark on a mouth-watering journey as we dive into the world of seafood chowder and unveil a recipe that'll have you craving the taste of the sea. Imagine a bubbling pot of goodness, brimming with plump shrimp, succulent crab, flaky fish, and tender clams, all swimming in a luxurious, creamy broth. That's the essence of seafood chowder. It's a dish that takes the ocean's finest treasures and melds them into a comforting masterpiece that's perfect for the winter months. Here's why it continues to captivate our taste buds. A flavorful melange. Seafood chowder is a tantalizing mix of oceanic delights, each bite a burst of flavor and oceanic charm. Creamy comfort. The creamy base serves as a velvety canvas for the seafood, creating a harmonious blend of richness and freshness. Versatility galore. Customize your chowder with your preferred seafood and regional influences. It's a canvas for creativity. Hearty nourishment. Seafood chowder is more than a meal. It's a warm embrace on a chilly day, filling you up and leaving you satisfied. Let's roll up our sleeves and create a seafood chowder that's nothing short of a masterpiece. Soul-warming seafood chowder recipe ingredients. 1 pound of mixed seafood, shrimp, crab, fish, clams. 1 finely chopped onion. 2 cloves of minced garlic. 2 tablespoons of butter. 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. 4 cups of chicken or seafood broth. 2 cups of whole milk. 2 cups of heavy cream. 2 cups of diced potatoes. 1 cup of corn kernels. 1/4 cup of finely chopped celery. 1/4 cup of diced red bell pepper. Salt and pepper to taste. Fresh parsley for garnish. Oyster crackers or crusty bread for serving. Enjoying the video? Leave a like and subscribe. It really helps the channel out. Instructions. In a big pot, melt the butter over medium heat and add the onion and garlic. Sauté until fragrant and translucent. Sprinkle the flour and stir continuously to create a golden roux. This will take your chowder to the next level. Slowly pour in the chicken or seafood broth, whisking away to avoid lumps. Then add the milk and heavy cream and bring it all to a gentle simmer. Toss in the diced potatoes, celery, and red bell pepper. Let them simmer until the potatoes turn tender, which should take around 15 to 20 minutes. Gently fold in the mixed seafood and corn and continue cooking for an additional 5 to 7 minutes until the seafood is cooked through. Season your chowder with salt and pepper to taste, and your masterpiece is ready. Serve it up hot, garnished with fresh parsley. And don't forget the oyster crackers or crusty bread for that perfect finishing touch. Seafood chowder is the epitome of comfort food, offering a delightful blend of flavors and textures that warm your body and nourish your soul. This timeless dish is a culinary masterpiece that leaves you craving the taste of the sea time and time again. So, what are you waiting for? Grab those ingredients and immerse yourself in the heartwarming goodness of this soul-warming seafood chowder. Your taste buds will thank you.